Hi friends, welcome to another Color Snack Sunday. Today I'll be doing another sketchbook flip through tour. So this sketchbook is a little bit more special than the other ones because it's one that I made myself. And I found a tutorial on how to bind the sketchbook by an artist called C Lemon on YouTube. I'll definitely link to her. But so one fun thing about this is that the sketchbook is consisting of some colored paper, and then the rest are pages that I made out of Amazon Prime bags. So I started this sketchbook about 2 years ago. For a while there, we were getting lots of Amazon Prime orders, and so I was just collecting, in hopes of recycling the paper. But one day I just kind of thought that this would make for a fun sketchbook because, well, like you see the pages, they're not stark white. It's okay to do imperfect art, and especially, experiment, do some random doodles. Just practice different things because it's a sketchbook that I made. I already know it's imperfect. I mean, look at it. I didn't do such a great job with the binding, but it keeps it together and I'm happy with that. So I practiced a lot of I believe I started it 2 years ago in October, and it was again Inktober was happening. And so I did a lot of my drawings and lettering in ink just to kind of practice it. So 2016 is when I actually started the Inktober challenge, but it didn't get very far. Same thing happened this year, but I'm not giving up on this. Still hoping that one day I'll complete all 30 or 31 of the prompts. So yeah, this was a lot of fun using this type of paper because it allowed me to, do some washes with acrylics or gouache. Obviously, cannot use watercolor on this paper. It just does not work. But you can use, again, acrylics, gouache, or even in some places I've used oil pastels. So for example, this one and this donut was done in oil pastels. But I just remember feeling so creative with it. And so a few weeks ago, or actually maybe a month or so ago, I stumbled upon this sketchbook again, and since it wasn't completed, I decided to, why not add some more stuff to it? So yeah, you see like different markings, just random, completely random different things. It's whatever I felt like drawing. There was no agenda. It didn't have to be perfect. This wasn't, Instagram perfect or whatever, even though that's a myth. But it was super fun to, just stick with one pencil, which actually this was one of those pencils that had like 3 or 4 colors. Limit yourself to just a few art supplies and just kind of explore and see where that takes you. And so there's a lot of little sketches of plants and my cat. I did a few of these on the plane in my recent trip when I went to see my parents in Alabama. So it was also a great way to not think about in-flight anxiety that I tend to get. It was very therapeutic and meditative, just doing some repetitive patterns and sketching random things. But so I just wanted to show you that, a sketchbook doesn't have to be, the perfect sketchbook that you buy. You can make one your own, and really you can use so many different objects and materials to either make one or just straight up start sketching on an object. The possibilities are endless, my friends, and I had a lot of fun doing these little drawings with Posca pens. They're acrylic-based markers, super fun to use, and especially I love how the white pen or even a gel pen will stand out against this type of cardboardy looking paper. So yeah, this is pretty much it. We're approaching the final few pages. I hope this inspired you to maybe pick up your sketchbook or make your own out of some random paper that you have laying around your house. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.